Hey guys, I'm Shalita Kristina. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some hair that I recently purchased. So if you want to know more about it, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the hair that I purchased is from Luxury Tresses by FAB, and this is her Filipino natural wave. I purchased a 5x5 16-inch closure and two 20-inch bundles. I'm just showing you how the hair looks initially after opening the packaging. It's super soft and it smells amazing. The texture is a little bit more silkier than what I'm used to. I'm excited to play around with this hair, so I'm going to go ahead and create my unit and I'll come back once it's installed. So this is the unit that I created. As far as the closure, I did not bleach the knots. I did minimal plucking and I used some concealer on my part. Did a little bit of baby hairs and I cut about an inch off the bottom just to help make it a little bit fuller. About 8 o'clock at night, so I've been out running errands and stuff. So this is how the unit is looking after a day of wearing it, I guess. Today I just used some water. Like I ran my hand under water and just like finger rake my hands through the waves just to define them a little bit. Some days I use mousse, but today I opted for water. After it air dries, I just take a comb like this and I just go through it just to fluff out the waves because I like it to be a little bit more fluffier than like more defined. Go ahead and show you all how the back looks. So yeah, I really love this hair. I'm usually like a more kinkier, curlier type of girl, but I wanted to try something new. So this is like the first silkier texture that I've tried, but I really like it. I'm happy I tried it. It's very, very easy to manage. I've had like minimal shedding, like very, very, very minimal shedding, and I absolutely love that. I hate having hair everywhere. For the most part, it's been very easy to maintain. I just use water or some mousse, like I said, in the morning to freshen up the waves, and at night I just pull it back in the ponytail, twist it up to my body on, go to sleep. In the morning, just brush it out, and I'm good to go. Yeah, I will be purchasing more from Luxury Tresses by FAB. Her hair is absolutely amazing, 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 amazing. So, yeah, just want to come really quick and show you guys how the hair was holding up and share with you some of my thoughts. So that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.